Yet this is an area of our lives that they don't have any authority to regulate under the Constitution, under the 9th and 10th Amendment. But to show you how bad this can get when massive amounts of money are involved, and that's one of the things that should cause you to be skeptical about all the Ask Your Doctor ads and all the media companies that are pushing the measles panic and mandatory vaccines. You should be concerned about the massive amounts of money that are involved. CBS reports a sweeping lawsuit accusing top generic drug companies of price fixing. They say it might be the biggest price-fixing scheme in U.S. history. On Friday, Connecticut and a coalition of more than 40 states filed a 500-page lawsuit accusing the biggest generic drug manufacturers, these are generic drugs, of a massive systematic conspiracy to bilk consumers out of billions of dollars. Congress established the generic drug industry back in 1984 in an effort to try to push drug prices down. But in a single year, 1,215 different generics, many of them the most prescribed drugs, jumped on average more than 400% in just 1 year. That's 4 times the price. As the Connecticut Attorney General William Tong said, he was asked, how many drugs are we talking about? He said, well, hundreds and hundreds of drugs. He went on to say between 2013 and 14, a bottle of doxycycline, for example, shot up 8,281%, from $20 to more than $1,800. If I'm correct, I think doxycycline is just an antibiotic, and it's a generic. The patent has expired on it. That's by definition a generic. A bottle of asthma medication, albuterol sulfate, jumped more than 4,000%, from $11 to $434. A cholesterol drug was up by more than 500%, from $27 a bottle to $196. And this is happening across the board. And what they're saying is these drug companies colluded with each other to raise the prices. Understand the profit motive here and do your own research when it comes to these issues. Folks, we're about out of time. I want to tell you about the specials that we've got at InfoWars